The brand new Mugen game is out by Chirolo himself. New working codes. Not gonna lie, the starting screen and animations are smooth. I'm talking super smooth. What is this game all about? We need these spins, okay? That is for sure. We need a bunch of spins. Let's actually use the first of these crazy codes I'll be showing you in today's video. Don't forget to sub up for future codes. Release. 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 The first code is release. This is a Demon Fall game. I mean, is it Demon Fall? Dragon Slayer? Yeah, Dragon Slayer. I remember Demon Fall times. Not gonna lie, Demon Fall was a crazy game, okay? Actual good game. I loved it, I actually loved it. There were so many good codes inside of Demon Fall. Everybody remembers Demon Fall games codes. Okay, so the first code is actually release. They don't have a Discord server, which is kind of weird. I am looking at Chirolo right now. I did also subscribe to Chirolo, so Chirolo's YouTube channel maybe? Chirolo, let's check him out. Okay, Chirolo Mugen trailer. Any Discord? Join basketball? Oh, there it is. No, never mind. Support the community. 2 Discord servers. Wait, I found it. There it is. Open in browser. This is gonna be easy. This is actually gonna be easy. Let's find out these codes. Yo guys, don't forget the invite is expired. That is kind of annoying. The invite is expired. Wait, I didn't even... Wait, how do I go back? 1 spin, okay. 1 spin a day keeps the doctor away. We have 5 spins. Okay, let's get something. Mythic. Please, mythic. Shockwave. Easy. There you have it. No. What a bait. Why is he baiting me like this? That is illegal. That is actually illegal. Such a bait. So what? We got a epic one? I was not asking for the epic one. Oh, we have lucky spins and we have normal spins. Lucky spin, come on. Come on, lucky spin. Yo. Oh, we're getting the epic ones. Lucky. How is that lucky? How is this lucky? Do I keep sound? I think I should keep it. So we have the dual blades. There you go. Can I finally fight with people? There you go. Can we even fight? Oh, we can fight. Oh my god. Come on. I'm gonna hit the gritty. Oh my god. Oh, you can lock on. Come on. Oh, can lose. Whoa. Yeah, I'm actually exploding. No. How? Okay, I can't be losing this. What? Can't be losing this. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. GG's. I'll be honest, I've never played a Demon Slayer game, so we have to get better, okay? We have to get better. And this guy is probably also playing without camera shakes. Disable shadow VFX. He has probably everything off. Like, you should do that too, okay? If you do want to get competitive inside of this game, turn off all the settings. That is the first thing that I should have looked at.